guys, welcome back. It's Avery and welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about a clothing hack and some cute dog stuff. I'm just going to find that model. Found her. She's right there. She's right there. She's right there. Get up, Zoe.
Avery, you have got a sore throat?
Yeah, kind of.
Does it still hurt?
I have gunk.
You have gunk? You know what? Maybe we'll take some honey.
Honey.
You
Oh,
want
yeah.
honey, don't you?
Yeah.
Yes.
What was that? Yeah. What was that, Zoe? Come here. What was that? What was that? Come on. Come on, Zoe. Come on, Zoe. Come on, Zoe. Come on, Zoe. What was that? Should we find out what that was? So, Zoe. Zoe, sit. Zoe, sit. Zoe, sit. Jeez. Hey, Zoe. Zoe. Sit. Gosh, she is so hard to make sit. Sit. Zoe. Zoe, dude. Sit, Zoe. She's like attracted to the front door. We're getting pizza in a few minutes. And she's like attracted to the front door waiting. Huh? Oh, I was like, oh my gosh. She's walking through the door. Jeez. Okay. Zoe, no. Zoe, no. Zoe, sit. Zoe, come here. Zoe, sit. Oh my gosh. So she has no tail. As you can see, she's no tail. We call her Money Cow because she is black and white. And she's adorable. You want to come up on the couch? Come on, Joe. Sit up here. Good girl. Good girl. Say hi. Say hi. She's like, I just want to be a part of my own life. I don't want to be a part of your life right now because I'm a cute dog and I want to live a life. She's like, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna stop sitting on this remote and start trying to bite my papa. You know. Yeah, yeah.
Get a picture of her jumping off. She really jumps cute.
She's just gonna cuddle down there for now. Okay. Now I'm going to sit on this. I'm just gonna climb over these. So what I'm trying to get a good tent for the lighting. So I'm gonna tell you guys about a hack. As you can see, I'm wearing this. I can see you, Zoe. And so this hack is really nice. Shout out to TroomTroom, 1, 2, 3, Go, and any of the people who show this hack in their videos. I'm not trying to copyright or anything. I'm just want you to share this hack with you guys. So go watch these TroomTroom videos. Go watch 1, 2, 3, Go. Go watch every like craft, 5-minute crafts, all that stuff that shows this hack. So practically, you got a hole. You know, like these are literal pants. These are pants. So you got a hole in, you know, between the legs, up at the top, between the legs, and then you put it on, and then, so this is like, this part is that part. These, same as that. See, it's really awesome. So shout out to TroomTroom, 1, 2, 3, Go, and all those other people who have this, and 5-minute crafts, and all those other people who have on their channels. I can't speak today. But that was just a quick photo, and I'm going to end you guys with a picture. We will rock you.